these goals and these dreams. I know I can't live without them. That means I gotta go get it. I know a lot of people, they doubt it. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, gotta prove them all wrong. Gotta prove them wrong, wrong.
Hey Glam fam, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to take this table and I'm going to glam it up, y'all. So it's a very small table. It's not that big, but it's kind of long. So I'm gonna try to do something to glam it up. I'm not sure yet, but I'm gonna go ahead and spray paint it silver, and then we'll continue on with the project, y'all. Okay guys, so I went ahead and I painted the table. I painted it silver, of course you can see, and these are the tiles I'm going to use to cover the table with, y'all. Okay guys, so this is how the table turned out. I love the tile from dotflower.com. It has the little mirrored pieces in it, and it's flat, so you can sit something on top of here. You can glam it up, or you can just add some pieces, some accent pieces to it, and make it look beautiful. So I hope you all like what you see, and if you do, you know what to do. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more glam DIYs.